Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn a stretch command in AutoCAD. How stretch command work in AutoCAD. Let's start. Suppose I draw this rectangle here and you want to stretch this portion of the rectangle by a meter or 500. So you have to go to modify command here, see stretch here. You can select stretch here, then select object, and let's say this is my reference point. I want to stretch this side 100. So this rectangle is stretched by this side. For example, and this is another way. Let's say I have this fixed point here, and now I want to extend this, stretch this end. So again, from one type S stretch, select object, click this point, and match it there perpendicular. This is the second option. If you know something is fixed and you want to stretch one point to the fixed point, you can stretch like this only. Let's draw one pole. Let's say I want to stretch this portion and this portion to meet there. So type S stretch, select the object. I pick this point and simply match it there. And other one, let's say I want to stretch this portion by 20 mm or whatever dimension you want. You simply type S, select this one, and for this one your ortho mode should be on. Then it will take the dimension properly. Stretch 10 mm. Let's more I want here 150. Stretch by 50. So in this way we can stretch any object in AutoCAD as per our own requirement, as per the drawing. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment related to stretch, please comment below. I will try to give you reply. Thanks.